What's up today, guys? And what we have here is my Batman and a Batmobile. So we're just gonna turn her on and we're gonna take it for a ride. It's on, and we can put Batman in here to make him drive in there, because this Batman comes with it. So he drives right there. And just shut the lid like he's going on a mission. Yes, he pops out of here. I'm just trying to put his cape inside too. Now, let's take it for out. Hang on. It doesn't drive that good on the road. Oh, look, the stick's in our way. This is gonna be driving it for a couple minutes. We're going back now. Alright, there he goes. Batman's happy, and if you want to know how to take Batman out without doing nothing, without lifting up the lid here, you can take Batman out by doing this. By opening up the lid. Sometimes he'll jump out. But, you can also do it when pushing this red button here. And he just pops out, just like that. Yep, it's pretty cool. This is a Christmas gift here. And now the video is done.